Get it on!
My friends, it's Coach Vigue. Thanks so much for clicking on this video. This is a morning stretch. Do these exercises every single morning. Follow along with me. They're all body weight, no weights, no equipment, no machines, to feel and look your very best today and tomorrow and always. Today's random question, let us know below, is what is your favorite kind of cereal? Favorite kind of cereal. All right, modify as needed. Always use control. The ground is slightly wet. Thought I'd let you know that. All right, a few shoulder rolls here to start. Do this in the morning, afternoon, evening. Anytime you do this, it's going to up your energy, your focus, your flexibility, your strength, and your ability to conquer the day, to do it, to find that purpose. All right, we're gonna start with lunge twists. Could be the best mobility exercise. Right foot forward, left knee down. Place the hand on the mat. Inhale, lift it up. Keep it smooth, keep it controlled. Take it back. It is messy out here. Just ignore the schmutz that's on my mat here. There's the twist. So to give a little hinge forward to activate the back hip flexor, and then we have the twist. Back and forth, smooth. All right. There it is. Optimal mobility and flexibility anywhere, anytime. Okay, it just takes a few minutes each day to make a massive difference in how you look, feel, and move. Take it back. Smooth movements like water, forward and lift. 2 more times each side. If you like, you can always lift up that back knee into a full lunge. That's your privilege if you wish to do that. Here we are. You always make the choice. You make the decision here. And I will do the same. Back. 1 more time. Get that reach. Full twist. Loosen up the back. Opening up the breath. Everybody's happy. Ooh, all right. Lunge cactus. Press it back onto the knees. Tuck in the shirt. A morning tuck shirt stretch. Shoulder rolls first. Inhale up. Exhale. Roll them back. Sink them down. We want to open up this whole anterior part, the chest and the abdominals, so that your breathing apparatus, your respiratory system can function very effectively. It doesn't if we're like this. If we can open it up, the breath can flow and all that oxygen saturates and drenches your body, your muscles. 1 more time. Lift up, drop them back. All right, lunge with cactus arms. Bring that right foot forward. The knee can be down. We're gonna come up with the arms and then open. See how I'm pulling my elbows back. Hinging forward as you open the chest. Let's hold this for 3 deep breaths. We're in the nose, out the nose, in the nose, out the nose. Pull the cap down. It's sunny today in Florida. Breathing. 1 more breath. We open, open, open. Should feel really good. Adjusting that posture. It's just the beginning. We practice this every darn diddly day. Got to reinforce it. Left foot forward. When you're ready, arms up and open. Drawing back, slight back bend. Even as you bend, you're lifting, always lengthening up and out. If you are any kind of athlete, do these stretches. Share them with athletes you know. Whoa, a ghost just blew me over there. 2 more breaths. Getting some nice cavitations up and down my spine. That is the stuff right there. Let's bring it back again. Sitting on the heels, again, shoulder rolls. You know me, Coach Vigue. I'm always doing these alignment exercises. Ones that you can do anytime during the day. They're very subtle, but they really work. They pack a big punch to assist you through your day, especially with the lulls in the day. 2 more. All right, let's take it up a notch. Right foot forward, the knees can stay down or lift it off the mat. And here we go with the cactus arms. 5 breaths. Start up here though. Big production. We draw the arms back, we're ready, and then we pull. Stretching the back leg, press the left heel towards the mat. That stretches the hamstring and the hip flexor. Start, oh yes, building that endurance, some mental fortitude, as we say. Forget the phone, pick up your mat and get on it right away. All right, one more breath. There's the opening. All right, step it back, other side. Staggering the feet, sinking down into the lunge. Are you still there? Okay. Just checking. Whoop. Okay. If you're watching this on your phone, that's okay. Just stay on the video, right? 5 breaths in the nose and out the nose. Sinking down with your exhales. And of course, stretching that back leg, right heel towards the mat. That's what activates the lunge. Can't do much without that. All right, hands down. Again, bring it back. Sitting on the heels, alternating shoulder rolls. So we alternate. There we are. There's the twist again. I love a lot of rotational exercises, especially in the morning. Loosens up the back, gets the rhythm going, sets the tone in your midsection, in your core, for what the rest of the body needs to be doing. All right, 2 more times each side. Hey. Okay, now, 3-legged dog. Let's come to downward facing dog. Big hands. Plant the hands on the mat or the floor, wherever you are. Sinking back. Can always hold the down dog or lift this right leg up. 3-legged dog. 5 breaths. As you inhale, lift. As you exhale, keep lifting and sink that left heel down. Get a nice long line. Think of long, lean, functional muscles. And upping the expectations of the flexibility in your low back and glutes. That was a very different way of saying that. But I'm always looking for new ways to communicate verbally and physically in these videos for myself and for you. One more breath. All right, bring that right leg forward, pigeon. Opening up the hips, sliding the left leg back. We have the hands down, relax the shoulders. Rock it side to side. Pigeon has many, many variations. They're all very powerful. But the classic, we extend the back leg. We open up this hip and glute. Take 3 more breaths. Does that feel good? Yeah. I'm telling you, invite somebody to do these stretches with you. If they are adverse to stretching or flexibility training or mobility training or just movement, bring them in. Bring people into this kind of movement. It has a positive effect on everything else. All right, down dog. Hold it or left leg. 5 breaths. Remember, inhale, lift the leg. We lift the right heel off the mat. Exhale, sink that heel down and lift higher. Relaxing up here, the upper body, the shoulders, the neck. Ooh, that is a tight calf right there. Yeah, I'm talking to you, right calf. Ooh, they can be like dynamite. One more breath. Go with the breath. Go with it. That is the key. All right, pigeon. Ooh, wow. Flying high there, my friends. Hands down, side to side. You are going to get some serious pushback in the hip flexor, the glute, the legs. Don't lose heart. That happens all the time. It's happening to me right now. And I'm the one filming this darn video, but that's good. We got to do it. You don't just do it once and you're fixed. You stay consistent with it. And you massage out those knots, those tight parts. One little tight area of your body, tight section, can sabotage everything. Oh, that is great. Okay, I think we're good. Let's step it back. Take the knees a little wider. We have child's pose, and we're gonna sway side to side. There's always time for more videos. Don't want to load up the video too much. The flow. Want to keep it short and sweet, but very, very effective. All right. Well done, my friends. If this video helped, please click the like button, subscribe, click the notification bell to never miss a workout. And today's random question is, what is your favorite cereal? Let us know below, and have a just extraordinary day. Was that sweat or was that drool?
Yes!